hallelujah, we are done. I still have to install the inlay. I just have it sitting here, so I'll do that. But finally finished it up. A lot of sanding, a lot of shaping, a lot of priming and sanding and priming and filling. But the cracks are completely gone. I repainted the entire wheel. And I made a new inlay. So now we're going to take and install the inlay. So it's just sitting here. Come on out. Come on. There we go. Oh, I didn't cut that. I've got to cut the paper. Okay. So as in the previous video, this is how your inlay comes. And again, when you get it, you can lay it in the track and test fit it. You're always starting at 6 o'clock, just like the factory did. That's where they put their seam. So you can lay it into the wheel. You can use masking tape, and you can tape it down. You can get the feel of how it fits in there and how you're going to handle it. And this one fits really good. So it's falling down that track. The track on this wheel was in excellent shape. This is an 88 wheel. And aside from the crack running through here, and you can see right there where the crack came up, I mean, this is completely separated. The entire piece came up across and down. And not on this side, but on this side it did. But the track was super clean. So we've got our inlay. Flip it over. Remove the backing paper off of the double-face tape. That wasn't very graceful, but I guess it worked. So we're going to go down to 6 o'clock on the wheel. We're going to lay it right in. I got a little mark right down there at 6. So I'm just taking my finger and I'm just tapping it into place. And it's sticky and it wants to grab a hold everywhere. So I am literally just taking and letting it do its thing and go right into place. And you can adjust as you go if you don't. So I'm keeping it to the outside of the groove in here. It leaves a perfect guide for it. So just gently coming around. And one of the things you can do if you get into trouble, if maybe you find out that you came and you're a little bit too long, which you shouldn't be, that means you didn't put it in right. But if it's super, super close, one of the things you can do is you can take and have it up in the air and you can butt these two together. And then you can work backwards. And I'll do that just on here. I know this is a perfect fit. And just go back. And there you go. I mean, it's that simple to install your inlays. And you go around and press it down really good. And it doesn't hurt to come back 20 minutes, 40 minutes. Give it another good press down. But that's it. So in the box this baby goes. And back to Joe. Thanks, Joe, for sending me your wheel for repair. And I can't wait till he gets it back in his car, almost as much as he probably can't wait. So that's it. All done.